Do him! Do him! See! Woo!
Nice. What are we doing this morning, Cody?
Hunting, goose hunting, anything hunting. There's a lot of birds flying around.
Mallard attack. We're out here again. Got a bunch of snowies set up for decoys. Got a bunch of cannons out behind us. Boys have been knocking them dead out here. A bunch of snows. So try to pick off some singles, maybe some small groups. Already got big waves of Canada's coming out. Mallards galore. Keep them coming. Keep them coming.
Oh, they look good. They look good. Oh, to my right. Low gun. They come over the top. We're shooting these guys. Get ready, guys. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Do them! Do them! See! Get ready. Do them! Do them! See! Yeah! Oh,
Nice
no
shot,
way.
Cody.
Who made that shot?
Cody.
Cody.
Good grief. Stretch them up, boys. Stretch them up. Just throw them into snow goose decoys. Did you get one, honey? Woo!
Nice. How's that?
Exhilarating. I'm out of breath now.
Get that shell right there. Because we gotta stop on some basura. Come on. Shell clean up. Go ahead.
Good
Good
job.
girl.
So sweet.
I love you. I love you.
Good morning, sweetie. Looks like we got another group coming on that line.
Low, guys.
Yeah. Snow geese have awoken and wizen. Lots of snow geese. Not a lot of Canadas. Just that one group came in and gave it dirty, and the rest of them been kind of skirting us.
Daddy, here I come.
Are you coming? Hi, Ewok.
Up.
Oh, you want to get up? Okay. Oh, hopefully we get a flock in soon. pretty slow day, but we ended up with 5. But we're gonna pick them up. Bluebird day. I've had a bunch of geese come back from the other way, and they're about 1.5 miles high. So another beautiful day out in the blind.
Check out this new decoy we got.
She's out there standing out in the middle. She's ready to go. So we're gonna go pick up the babes, head home, go watch the season finale of some Yellowstone.
Good day, Dad? Yeah, excellent day with the family. It's what it's all about. Not many geese, but a lot of laughs, a lot of smiles.
Lost smiles. There you go.
How about this, Kelly? Did you get some geese today?
Oh yeah. Up close and personal, just like we like them.
Yes.
What about you, sweetie? Did you have fun? Did you have fun?
Nice.
Yes. You want to come out again?
Nice.
Yes.
I think we can do this.
Oh yeah.
I think you just got the right
We did it! We'll see you next time.